On this week's edition of Brown, we have an Aircool 36-inch industrial. No stickers on the canopy, except there's an open hole for a swag kit, and the canopy is plastic. There's the tag. Model 36, 1984. Underneath the canopy, we have an oil-filled capacitor, 4 microfarad, and I believe that number signifies the inspection date, which would be March 1984. So these are not always oftenly seen as a Moss Caribbean Breeze. These apparently came under a bunch of different labels. Though this is not my exact childhood model. My childhood model was the actual Moss version. It's not in perfect shape. There are some scratches here and there that I need to touch up. One of the blades looks a bit wrinkled, kinked. I don't know how that happened. Get that fixed eventually. So let's see how this performs. For testing, I have it on a Hampton Bay 1.5 amp wall control for 3 speeds. There is one blade that is bent upward, so that's why it's shaking like that. Low speed, we have 0.18 amps. Low speed here is actually somewhat average. Could take it down a few RPM, but it's pretty decent. It's probably about the same low speed you would get on a 4-speed transformer control, if not just slightly slower. This is medium. It does have some harmonics, which is very cool. As it goes faster, the wobble mellows out. Got 0.28 amps. This fan actually does behave well with this control. I tried it with a solid state and boy was it loud. And there was no speed difference on that one either. All there was just a change in the noise level. And if you were to use a capacitor control, you have to be sure that the values are low so it doesn't hit a resonant frequency. This may look like a general high speed, but this is high speed. As you can see, this thing flies. The bearings are actually really good in this one. On the tag it says high speed is rated at 0.55. And we're drawing 0.39. I've seen some Caribbean breezes go a lot faster than this. But at the same time, since it's under the plain Aircool umbrella, it could be something different. Like I said, it has a 4 microfarad run cap. I don't know if it's supposed to go faster than this, but this is actually the first time testing it. I ended up putting it off because I didn't really have a real way to mount it. That J-hook bracket is not what it came with, nor is the bushing. This is the bushing it came with. Spin down time is not very long either. But there's no bearing noise on it. Let's get you up close and hear those startup sounds. It's really cool. And there you have it. A 36-inch Aircool Industrial in brown from 1984.